Do you know many people are having trouble with their Bose Soundbar 900 causing their TVs to shut down? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check HDMI connection. Ensure the HDMI cable is properly connected to your TV's HDMI eARC or ARC port for uninterrupted sound transmission. Step 2. Enable CEC. Activate Consumer Electronics Control, or CEC, in your TV settings to improve device interaction and control. Step 3. Reconnect HDMI cable. Firmly disconnect and reconnect the HDMI cable to ensure a secure fit and better connectivity. Step 4. Power cycle devices. Unplug the soundbar and any optional speakers. Plug them back in after 30 seconds to reset and refresh the system. Step 5. Adjust CEC settings. Set CEC to alternate on in the Bose Music app to enhance compatibility and control. By following these steps, your soundbar and TV should work seamlessly together. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bose users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.